Ida continued its path of destruction across parts of eastern United States before tapering off into the ocean Friday morning. The storm left 8 states with immense damage and destruction. Photos and videos taken from each of the affected areas have shown brutal winds and rain in what was the 5th strongest hurricane to ever hit the US mainland, resulting in damaged buildings, loss of power, and floods. At least 54 deaths have been reported as a result of Ida since making landfall on Sunday. Days after hitting the southeast as a Category 4 hurricane, Ida's impact still looms large on residents. Drone and satellite images have captured what the hurricane has done to neighborhoods and homes in New Jersey, New York, Louisiana, and Mississippi as rescue efforts continue in the hardest hit areas.